Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Trending Creation. If you're looking to upgrade your cleaning game and want one of the best robot vacuum cleaners without spending a small fortune, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 affordable robot vacuums that work great in the US and many parts of Europe, showing you what features matter, how much you'll pay, and what to watch out for. First, what affordable means here. In the robot vacuum world, many high-end models cost $800 or more. But here, we're looking for solid performance. Good suction, smart navigation, decent battery, cleaning ability, while staying under or around that premium threshold. Experts note, you don't need to spend top-tier money to get good results. Tom's Guide, PULS 3 Good Housekeeping, PULS 3 Analytics Insight, PULS 3. Let's dive into the 5 models you'll want to check out. 1. Eufy RoboVac 11S Max. This is a serious value pick. It has a slim design so it can clean under low furniture, uses Boost IQ auto suction adjustment, and supports laser dart other navigation for simpler homes. Battery life is about 100 minutes in typical use. Good housekeeping. For many people, it hits the good enough mark without the crazy price. It's great for apartments and smaller homes. 2. Roborock Q8 Max Plus, or similar mid-budget Roborock model. While many Roborock flagship models are expensive, there are versions of Roborock offering excellent features at more moderate prices, under $500, with things like 2700 PA suction, self-empty dock, and mapping features. SaveHardCash.com. +1 battery and charging. It returns to its dock automatically. Typical runtime may be 90–120 minutes depending on floor type, and then recharges itself. Great for homes wanting smart features without flagship cost. 3. iRobot Roomba series, affordable version, e.g. Roomba Essential or i5. iRobot is a trusted brand in the US, support is good, and there are models under $300–400. For example, deals show Roomba models around $150 to $249 in some promotions. People.com features include smart mapping, scheduling, compatibility with voice assistants, Alexa eats Google, and automatic recharging. Battery life might be around 60–90 minutes. Base station handles recharging, but maybe not self-emptying at this price point. 4. Samsung brand alternatives, or other strong brand with moderate price. Although Samsung is more known for other appliances, there are robot vacuums in the affordable but brand-trusted category. Battery life, smart sensors, Wi-Fi mapping matter. What you're paying for, brand reliability, plus decent features. You'll want battery $90 minutes, self-dock recharge, app control. I don't have a specific model here, but you can check Samsung and strong brand mid-tier offerings. 5. Budget pick under $200 for Europe and USA. There are models from brands like Eufy, again, or lesser-known brands that deliver surprisingly good performance for price. For example, a robot vacuum under $250 may still offer LiDAR navigation, good suction, 2000 PA+, and runtime near 60–80 minutes. Analytics Insight. This is ideal if you have smaller space, hard floors, and want robot convenience without full smart home cost. Now let's talk about what features to compare before you buy. Battery and charging. How long does it run on one charge? Does it return to dock automatically and resume cleaning if needed? Navigation and mapping. LiDAR or laser-based mapping is more reliable than random roaming. Virtual barriers, multi-room mapping matter. Suction power and floor type performance. Hard floors versus carpet versus rugs. If you have pets, check hair tangle features. Dock and maintenance. Does it self-empty? Does it mop? For affordable models, you may sacrifice self-empty feature. App and smart features. Can you schedule cleaning, set no-go zones, see map of cleaned area? Value for price. Are you paying for features you'll use? For example, if you don't need premium mopping or multi-level maps, you might save money. Finally, what about USA versus Europe? The price may differ, dollar versus euro. Features might vary slightly, voltage, region versions, and after-sales support tight parts may be important. Many models sold in USA also have European versions. Just check compatibility, plug type, and support. Here's a quick summary. For the best value, go with something like the Eufy 11S Max. For mid-smart features, Roborock Q8 Max Plus or similar. For trusted brand moderate price, iRobot Roomba sub $300 models. And for tight budgets, look for budget models under $250 with basic mapping and suction. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Top Trending Creation, and tap the bell to stay updated on the best affordable tech and home automation gadgets. In the comments, tell us, which robot vacuum are you thinking of buying, or what features matter most to you? See you in the next video.